children, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. You all are safe at home. Welcome to Kamla online classes, children. Today, look at the board. Look at the board. Myself, Fatima teacher, class LKG, subject numeracy. Numeracy means math subject. Okay, children. First thing I want to ask you: you are following SMS or not, children? You are following. What are the rules you have to follow? You are following or not? S means social distance. I hope you all are maintaining the distance in the house, and mask. Whenever you are going out of the house, you are wearing mask and going out, and soap. Thoroughly you are washing your hands with the soap after playing, after eating, before eating, after the washroom, toilet. You are washing your hands with soap. I think, children. Yes. You all are drinking warm water, hot water. Yes. And you have to drink milk. You are drinking milk or not? You have to eat all the fruits, vegetables, drink hot water, drink milk. Okay, you should eat all the vegetables and all the fruits you have to eat. Okay, children, then only you will be healthy. Okay, children, you all became bored in the house. That's why we have started the online classes. I hope you all are enjoying the online classes, children. Yes, you all are understanding. You all are enjoying or not, children? Yes. Look at the board. Today we are going to start the part 8. Part 8. Maths subject numeracy. Part 8. Page number 63. What is the topic? Full and empty. Full and empty. Required things you see: term book, pencil, eraser, and for writing the homework you need crayons. Not for classwork, only for homework you need crayons to color the pictures. Okay, come on, look at the board now. Full and empty. Today's topic is full and empty. Full means your box will be full. When you come to school, your snacks box, your lunch box will be full with the lunch, full with the snacks. When you will go to a house, we will check the box now. After the lunch, your box will be empty. After the snacks, your snacks box will be empty. Before going to your house, your bottle will be empty. Water bottle also. Yes, children? I hope you all got this idea in your mind. Yes, when you come to school, your boxes will be full. Yes, when you go to house, that time it will be empty. You will eat all that in the school. Empty boxes you will take to the house. Yes, this is the one example. Okay. Okay, children, I want to show you one thing. What is this? See, this is a mango juice. This is a mango juice. This glass is full of juice. This glass is empty. Which glass do you like to take? This glass? Yes. I will give this glass for you. I will take this glass for me. Okay, children, this is full of mango juice. This glass is empty. Nothing is there in this glass. In this glass, juice is there. Okay? This is full. This is empty. Okay, children? Understood now? Full means something is there in the glass. Mango juice is there. Whatever you think, you can think. Something is there in the glass. Means this glass is full. See, till here it is there. Yes, this glass is empty. Full and empty. See, if you put anything in this, if you do like this, it will go down now. Yes, see, nothing is there. This glass is empty. This glass is full of mango juice. You all will like to drink mango juice? Yes. After this part, take one glass of milk and one glass empty. You drink of full milk and make the glass empty. Teachers will say, no, your bottle should be empty, children. Drink water. Then your box will be empty. Then your bottle will be empty. Yes, understood? With this example, you understood, I think. Daily you people are doing now. When you come from the house, your mummy nicely she'll pack the box and she'll send you. Yes, before going to house, you will eat everything from the box and you will take empty boxes to your house. Yes, children? You got? Yes. See this? See this glass? This glass is full of water. This glass is empty. In this glass, nothing is there. See, nothing is there. This glass is having water. This glass is having mango juice, no? This glass is having water. See, this glass is full of mango juice. This glass is empty. Empty. Nothing is there in this glass. In this glass, see, juice is there. See, it's falling down. This is a juice. Okay, children? Now you got the example of, I think you got idea in the mind. Empty means what? Full means what? Okay? Okay, children. See, this glass is full of water. This glass is empty. this basket. You can see these two baskets. One basket is full of apples. You like to eat apples, children? Yes, you like to eat apples. You like to eat apples from the basket? Yes, this basket is full of fruits, apple. This basket is empty. This basket is not having anything. Okay, children, did you see? See, nothing is there in the basket. Anything is there in the basket? No, that basket is, this basket is empty. I will show you one example again. See, this basket is full of fruits. See, carrot is there, orange is there, banana is there. See, strawberry is there, green apple is there. See, orange also is there. This basket is full of fruits. Basket is full of fruits. Now you see, children. I'll show you now. Did you see the full basket? Now you see this basket. This basket is empty. Nothing is there in the basket. Nothing is there in the basket. Like this. See, anything is there? No. I kept all the fruits down on the table. Nothing is there in the basket. This is the empty basket. Empty basket. This is the full basket. See, this basket is full of fruits. See. See, this basket, few fruits are there. This basket is full of fruits. Okay, children? You all got now, children, what is full, empty? I hope you all understood. Empty means what? Full means what, children? Yes? Once again, see the board. See, this glass is having water. This glass is full of water. This glass is empty. This basket is full of apples. This basket is empty. See, this basket is full of fruits. This glass is empty. This glass is full of mango juice. You all will like to drink mango juice, no? Now today you should drink milk and you should empty your glass in the house. You take 2 glasses and ask your mummy to give 2 glasses, one full glass of milk, one glass is empty. And you should show to your parents. See, mama, this my glass is having milk. I will drink this milk and make the glass empty. Empty the glass and show it to your parents. Okay, when your parents will give something to eat, the plate will be full. After eating, it will empty. Means you will finish eating, means it will become empty. Okay. Okay, children, I hope you all understood. Dear parents, please make the child to understand. Give some examples from the house. Many examples you can give in the house. They need the examples. If they know the meaning of this empty, full and meaning of empty, full, they will catch immediately. I have given few examples like this. In the house, many things will be there. Many examples you can give for the children. Please, they need your support. Then only they will come out very well. Okay, man, listen to your parents, what your parents are showing. Try to understand. First thing, you should know the meaning of full, meaning of empty. Full means full. Empty means nothing will be there in that. Empty means nothing is there. Nothing is there. Okay? In your house, many boxes will be there. Many hundreds of examples you can take. Many examples you can give for the children. Parents, please show them whatever is there, whatever it is there. You show them. They are very small. If they will see with the eyes, they will understand. They will take to the mind. They will never forget. Once this is the first time they are learning all these things, if they are, though they know the meaning of this, and they will be perfect in all this. First thing, parents, I request, tell the meanings in Telugu. Full means what? Empty means what? First, you explain them in your mother tongue. Then they will catch the point. Full means ninda. Empty means khali. Like that. In your mother tongue. Whatever your mother tongue is there, what you will speak in the house, that mother tongue you tell them the meaning of this. If they know the meaning, they will catch the topic nicely. Okay, children? Whatever your parents showing, you see them. First thing, when class is going on, please sit with your child. When teacher is showing, make them understand. If they in the class, we will ask one student examples. We will ask them to give the examples. They will give. By listening these examples, seeing these examples, they will catch the topic. That is the main thing. They should know the meaning of the word. They should understand. After understanding only they can do very well. Okay children, whatever it is, your parents will show you. They will ask you. They will show you. Come on better, this class is empty or full, you should give the answer. If it is empty, you should tell empty mama, empty papa. If it is full, mama, this class is full, you should tell. Okay? You play like game, you play in the house. Whatever topics you are taking, whole day you be with that topic only. Then you will be perfect in that topic. Okay children? I hope you all understood children. You all got? Yes? Okay children? Homework children? Dear parents, please take the homework. Take down the homework. Page number 64. Term book, page number 64. Page number 64. See, color the box that is not empty. You have to color the box that is not empty means what? Empty means empty only. Not empty means full. Not empty means full. This box is full with teddy bear, ball, something. Playthings are there, no? Toys are there, no? This box you have to color. Take your favorite color and color it. Color this box. This is the homework. Write today. Write the date here. Write HW here. Write HW. Write HW. Date you should write. See, like this. Date HW you should write. Then you should color the box that is not empty. This is empty. This is not empty. This is not empty. Not means no. No empty. This is empty glass. Okay? Not empty. This basket is not empty. Okay? You all understood now? That not empty box you have to color. Which box is empty here? Show me. This dot box, nothing is there in this box. This box is empty, no? This box is not empty. Not empty. First try to understand the question. Then you do it. Color the box that is not empty. Is not telling empty. Not. He is using not. Not means no empty box. Means you have to color the full box only, no? You should not color the empty box. You should color the full box. Full. Not empty means full box. This box you have to color with your favorite color. Take any favorite color. Which color you like to do. You like most. Take that color and do it nicely. You have to do the coloring. Don't scribble as you like. Okay children? It should be very neat and tidy. If your work is very neat, we are going to give the stars for you. You all will like to take stars in the book. We will give the chocolates also in the book. Teachers to give no chocolate star. You all want chocolate stars. If you want chocolate, if you want star in the book, do it neatly children. Okay? Before parents please, before giving the book, you give them one rough note. Draw something like box, something. You make them to do the coloring in that. Give any crayon pencil and ask them to do this color. Color this box better, I will say. They will color. First time when they will color, they will not color, do properly. Next time, third time, they will do it properly. First time they cannot do. Let them do in the rough note. The rough note, some box like flower, something you draw and give them. Let them scribble, let them draw, do coloring in that. If you give the book, what they will do? They will scribble as they like, they will scribble in the book. And they will make the book dirty. Don't make the book dirty children. I want very neat book. Okay? If your book is dirty, crying face I will give. If your book is neat, I will give star, I will give chocolate here, smiley face I will give. Okay, you all will like to take stars, no? Okay, you do it nicely children. Okay, I hope you all understood children. Okay children? Okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you, bye. Take care.